right. Shalom, everyone. Shalom. Welcome to another episode with Batkalab. Yes, Batkalab Consultant, and I am Malka. So today we are going to talk about the big, beautiful bill. Now, for the 2025 tax year, which is going to be filed early 2026, the federal tax code has several key changes and inflation adjustments, largely due to the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Yes. And for business owners, you are going to love it. All right. How the bill impact your business? Because you're all about your business, so you need to know, okay, how is this bill going to impact my business? Well, qualified business income deduction permanently allowed. The 20% write off for sole proprietors, partners, S Corps, LLC was scheduled to vanish after the 2025 tax year. But guess what? The big, beautiful bill has extended it. It is there. In addition to making the break permanent, Congress added a $400 micro business floor, so even owners with only a few $1,000s of profit still get some benefit. The income threshold that begins to chip away at the deduction rise roughly 10%. So yes, you still get that 20% write-off. Yes. Now, what do you mean by that? Let's say you show $120,000 of profit from your LLC. Automatically 20% is deductible, dropping your taxable income by $24,000 and trimming this tax year by about $5,280. $280. 22% of $24,000. Yes. And then now you have your other write-offs. Permanent 20% qualified business income deduction. What this means is that the business that are tax or pass through entities, again, sole proprietor, LLC, S Corp, you're now allowed to deduct 20% of your net business income from your taxable income. Do you know what a great thing that is? This means that one of the biggest levers to reduce tax liability is now permanent with the One Big Beautiful Bill Act in effect. Yes, small business owners, you are winning. And just in case you don't get it, you're like, what is she talking about? I have it on screen here. Read it, read it, read it. Yes. Let's repeat. Permanent 20% qualified business income deduction. I just love this. All right. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Also, restoration of 100% bonus depreciation. Hey, 2025 is not over yet. Go ahead and get that G Wagon. For a small business owner, I have to get one for this other company. Got to get it. With this bill passed, business owners, you can now again deduct 100% of the purchase price of qualified business property, which is equipment with a useful life of under 20 years in the year it's placed in service. So, if I go get the G Wagon for the warehouse before December end, I get to write it off. That's right. And this is completely legal. We are not telling you to do anything illegal. Why? Because we follow all the laws of the land. The big, beautiful bill have some great things in there for small business owners. You can write off your camera, your lighting gear, your AV equipment, laptops, studio furniture. This immediate write off can help reduce taxes significantly in years with big investments. So, yes, yes, yes. Immediate expensing of R&D costs. Businesses can now immediately deduct 100% of their domestic research and development expenses in the year they occur. Rather than amortizing them over 5 years, this provision applies retroactively for certain small businesses, allowing them to amend prior tax returns. So that means you can go back and amend those tax returns. Yes, research and development. Don't you have to do research for your business? Check it out. Speak to your tax advisor. Next, increase Section 179 expense and limits. The maximum amount businesses can expense under Section 179 for qualified property has increased to $2.5 million. Oh, that's so beautiful. With the phase out threshold starting at $4 million. Now, these amounts will be adjusted for inflation annually. So, annually is going to revisit it and adjust it for inflation. Higher business interest deduction. The limitation in interest deductions now uses an EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization calculation, generally allowing for a larger deduction of borrowing costs. Those business loans, yes, yes, you can deduct the interest. Yes, yes, you can deduct all that. Simplified tax reporting for gig workers and online sellers. The threshold for third party payment apps like PayPal, Venmo to report payments to the IRS via Form 1099-K reverts to the previous limit of over $20,000 in payments and over 200 transactions in a calendar year, significantly reducing the paperwork burden for casual sellers. The 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC threshold have also been raised to $2,000. Oh, you know it. See, I'm telling you about this big, beautiful Bill Act. I think it's a benefit. A lot of things in there for business owners. Yes, love it. And if you're mad, go get a business. Enhanced employee benefit credit. The bill makes a tax credit for employer provided paid family and medical leave permanent and provides tax credits for employers offering child care support. So, guess what? If you're somebody who has a job, mm, your employer get tax credits for offering child care support. And if you're an employer, because hey, I'm only talking to those who have the businesses, guess what? You you get a tax credit for offering child care support. It allows their employers to provide up to $5,250 annually in tax-free student loan repayment assistance permanently. You can do a student loan. Hey, increase in the gift and estate tax exclusion amounts. I love this. I love this because what? When it comes to estate planning, you talk about family office and having estate planning and having money and so forth. You're like, okay, so when I transfer this to my children, what? Now look at this. You can read this. The OBBBA. One big beautiful bill act, yep, permanently increases the amount of wealth that business owners can transfer to the next generation without incurring gift or estate tax. That was a big problem. In 2025, individuals can transfer up to $13.99 million, dollars, 27.98 million for married couples, without incurring gift or estate tax. Love it. Effective January 1st, 2026, the exclusion amounts increased to $15 million, dollars, 30 million dollars for married couples, adjusted annually for inflation beginning in 2027. Right here. Man, yes. Oh, goodness. That is such a burden off. Love it. Next. You're wondering, where is the scripture? She normally do a scripture. Yes, I did. Matthew 22, verse 15 through 21. Then went the Pharisees and took counsel how they might entangle him in his talk. And they sent out unto him their disciples with the Herodians, saying, Master, we know that thou art true, and teach us the way of Yahweh in truth. Neither carest thou for any man, for thou regardest not the person of men. Tell us therefore, what thinkest thou? Is it lawful to give tribute unto Caesar or not? But Yeshua perceived their wickedness. They were hypocrites, and said, Why tempt ye me, ye hypocrites? Show me the tribute money. And they brought unto him a penny. And he said unto them, Whose is this image on the superscription? They say unto him, Caesar's. Then said he unto them, Render therefore unto Caesar the things which are Caesar's, and unto Yahweh the things which are Yahweh's. Pay your taxes. We never tell you not to pay your taxes. We telling you legally the deductions that are available to you according to Mr. Donald Trump, one big beautiful bill act. So get it together. Attention, feel free to contact your tax advisors for more information. We can refer you to bank advisors, tax specialists, but we do not give tax advice. This video is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. But guess what? Go look at Mr. Trump, one big beautiful bill act, and you will see. Praise Yahweh. Want to know where to invest? Contact us. Botcaleb Consulting, botcalebconsulting at gmail.com, consultant at botcalebconsulting.com, or go online, www.botcalebconsulting.com, and fill out that form. We'll contact you. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Hope this was helpful. And guess what? Go on the White House website and you can get a copy of the bill yourself. but I just generalized some stuff for you. There's a lot more in it, and this is really good. So take advantage. Praise Yahweh. Shalom, besties. See you later.